This is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 29,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Waxahachie Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2401 North Interstate 35 East in Waxahachie.